Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your F8n to the FRC8 controller. The FRC8 is a mixing control surface that gives filmmakers more flexibility when recording in the field. It provides hands-on remote control of your F8n with 9 60mm faders, as well as tactile controls for trim, pan, track arming, and pre-fader listen. With the ability to bus power your F control from your F8n, using this powerful complement to your F8n is easier and more mobile than ever. To connect these two devices, start by pressing the menu button on your F8n. Next, use the encoder to select USB, then FRC8. Connect the included USB cable from the mini USB port on your F8n to the 2F series port on the back of your FRC8. Next, scroll to USB bus power in the menu. If you would like to power your F control via USB, select Supply to FRC8. If you would rather power your FRC8 using AA batteries or 9 to 16 volt DC power through the Hirose input, select Not Supply. Press the menu button to return to the FRC8 page. At this point, scroll to and select Knob/Fader mode. You will be presented with two options, Absolute and Safety. In Absolute mode, a knob or fader's parameter value will immediately change with a movement of the knob or fader. In Safety mode, when a knob or fader is moved, the parameter value will not change until the knob or fader is moved to that value's position. Safety mode can be useful in preventing accidental parameter changes when switching between trim and pan controls. After selecting which mode you prefer, press the menu button to return to the FRC8 page once again. Scroll to connect and select it. Your F control is now connected and ready for use. For more information on the F8n and the FRC8, please go to zoom-na.com.